Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about castor oil and how I used it to grow my eyebrows and eyelashes. So on Pinterest, Google, YouTube, I've been always seeing how castor oil can help grow your eyelashes longer, and your eyebrows, your hair, edges, you name it. So I decided that I was going to test it for 2 weeks. I was gonna use it every day for 2 weeks and just see what happens. So I ordered this 100% pure castor oil off Amazon, and I had these spoolies. I actually ordered them like a year ago and I forgot I ordered them, and then I just found them. So I was like, oh, you know what, perfect, could use that for castor oil. So basically what I would do is every night I would dip it in, and like I didn't want it dripping with oil because I didn't want that in my eyes, so I just like would wipe off the excess or like, you know, shake it off, and then I would just, you know, brush it onto my eyebrows and put on my eyelashes, you know, like you would do mascara on my bottom eyelashes. You know, like I didn't have any irritation except for one day I poked myself with it in the eyeball and it kind of hurt, and my eye was really red and like everything was like kind of glossy, and I just washed out my eye, but it was like, well, it was red until like the next morning when I woke up, and my eyelid was a little swollen, but not like anything crazy. It was puffy. I don't want to say swollen, but definitely please be careful. Please be careful. You know, don't get it in your eye. Just put it on like you would mascara. My first picture was, which was, you know, at the beginning of the 2 weeks, and then the last picture at the end of the 2 weeks, I noticed a really big difference. So I'm going to show you guys. So this is the pictures from before. So put it here. Now here's the after. Compared to each other. I'll show another one, another before, another after. Here is the comparison. So I was really impressed with the results. So I didn't quite notice so much like when I on an everyday basis until I compared the pictures. But one thing I did notice the most was my bottom eyelashes definitely looked a lot longer. Another thing that I really liked is that it made my eyebrows grow out. My eyebrows do look a hot mess in that picture, even now, because I've been just letting them grow out. But you know what? For scientific purposes of this video, just letting them grow. But being a swimmer and being in chlorine a lot, like something that happens every year with my team is that our eyebrows just disappear. They just slowly like disintegrate, and we just like end up losing our eyebrows. And also I plucked my eyebrows really bad, so I kind of wanted them to just grow back again, and I'm glad that they're starting to grow back. So it worked. I would recommend it. I haven't been putting it on every night because I don't really like the smell. Like that was one thing I didn't really like. It has a really strong smell. I don't know if it's just this one or if it's just like all castor oil. It just has a really strong scent. But I didn't really like that, so I had to like kind of like push through that. I also put on my edges. I didn't take a before and after, but I do normally massage oil into my scalp, and I have heard that it helps your actual hair grow, so I've been doing that. I can't really tell because I didn't do a before and after, but I mean, I'm sure it's like not bad for it. I'm sure it's doing something good. So if you like this video and you'd like to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope this was helpful. Bye!